Hey guys, so today we're going to look at section 1.2. This is the next section, or the second section in the Zybooks curriculum. Basically, it covers different network types in a little bit more detail. And so let's go ahead and look at the desktop. All right, so currently we're looking at the different network types. First of all, we need to establish the parts of a network. A client is any node on a network that uses resources. It does not share resources like a server does, but it uses resources. It consumes. And so a client consumes and a server shares. Basically, a server is any node that provides resources to a client. A peer is a node capable of sharing and accessing network resources with other peers. And so then a peer-to-peer network is made up only of peers. Basically, you've got no controlling server of any kind. You just have, let's say on a peer-to-peer network, you've got all desktops. They're all responsible for their own security. They're all responsible for their own connectivity. Basically, they are all responsible for their own storage. So a peer-to-peer network is made up only of peers. They can share and access resources from each other, but none of them are in control. On the other hand, a client-server model, there is a server that is in control of the resources, and then it shares the resources to the various clients. Don't forget, complete the activities as you're going through here. Personal area network. Now, these are different types of networks. So a PAN, personal area network, is small, single location. This is Bluetooth. The only real example that we have of this particular type of network is Bluetooth. It covers within 5 meters of a person. Essentially, you're looking at the phone hooking to a set of earphones or earbuds, something like that. So it's a small single location network with a single user and a person's personal network devices. A LAN, on the other hand, is a small single location network for multiple users. This can be in an office. It can be in a small building. Basically, it'll have one server or one router, and then the clients will be connected either bounded or unbounded media. Wireless LAN is unbounded media. Basically, that means that all the clients are connected via Wi-Fi, unbounded media, instead of wired or network cables. Once again, you've got a network type activity here. You'll go through, you'll click start, you'll answer the questions, you'll go through the presentation and move on. Metropolitan area network. This is a city size network, a large multi-location network consisting of at least 2 single LANs for a city or a municipality. Campus is basically the same thing for a college or a corporate campus. It can be either one. A WAN then is a large multi-location network consisting of LANs in different geographic areas. So to get more explanation on that, you'll go through the activities here, and they will go into more detail. An overlay network, that's a virtual network abstraction layer built on top of an existing physical network. And we'll talk about virtual networks a little bit later in the course. Multi-protocol label switching, MPLS, an overlay network technology that labels each data packet and uses the label to find the quickest route for the data to reach its destination. Multi-point generic routing is an overlay network that forms a point-to-multipoint tunnel. Basically, it's tunneling technology to carry multiple protocols and traffic types over a single link. Software-defined networking is an overlay network technology that centralizes single location networks management and control planes. And then virtual extensible LAN, it's an overlay technology that extends the capabilities of locally switched networks to improve network conditions among dedicated computer facilities. So each of those terms will be more clearly defined through the activity. Make sure you get these done. Then you have another challenge at the end. Make sure you answer these and make sure that you have completed them all. You'll get little check marks here when you have completed all the parts of it. And once you've gotten that done, then you can move on to the next section. All right, guys, so that is an overview of the different types of networks. Remember what each of them, the MAN, PAN, LAN, all the different pieces. Make sure you know what each of those consist of. Also, make sure that you're familiar with the different types of basic network, whether it's peer-to-peer or client-server. Know what a server and what a peer is. And if you have any questions, contact me via the Canvas inbox or ask me in class. And hopefully I'll see you in class the next time we meet. Have a good day.